Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add multiple logos to WordPress website. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To begin, open your browser and go to the WordPress website. After logging in, you will land on your home page. Here, look for a quick links section. Inside this, look for the Edit Site option and click it to enter the main site editor. This editor is where all your customizations take place and it's designed to be easy to use. In the editor, move to the upper right corner and click the plus icon. This opens the Elements menu, where you can add new blocks or features to your site. When the menu opens, type Site Logo into the search bar. You'll immediately see the site logo element appear in the list. Click it and drag it into your header area. Placing it in the header ensures that the logo appears across your entire website. The drag and drop interface makes arranging elements simple and gives you full visual control over your layout. If you want to replace the logo image, simply click on the existing one. A menu will appear where you can upload a new image, resize it, or edit it so it fits your design perfectly. These adjustments let you customize the look of your logo and ensure it matches the overall style of your website. And that's it. So that is how you can add multiple logos to WordPress website. So that's all for this video. Thanks.